load today.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Let's hope it sticks that way, I guess.
You trying to make me feel special?
It burns out.
So at the school, when you're doing these, they teach you to do them with chains on the top. Except for these loads, you usually don't have any chains left. Now we just stand around and do nothing. So Jake is here filming, right, this week. Hi, Jake.
Howdy.
But look at his camera. See, when you guys get in the mood to subscribe and actually get some revenue coming in, we can get one of the big old fancy cameras like that. Look at that thing. And we are going to go down and drop off all of our stuff first.
What's a preload?
A preload, they come in with empty trailer, and we drop an empty trailer, and we pick up a trailer that's already been loaded for us. So what we're doing now, we had to move over all the equipment, tarps, that kind of stuff.
What's the benefits of someplace or doing this?
At some places like Wheatland Tube in Chicago, loading and getting all your tarp and everything on, you may be there an hour. Atlas Tube in some places, and Atlas Tube like Chicago, you may be there 5-6 hours. You know, the benefit of this is all you got to do is your hard work by switching everything over and getting everything put on, and then you just take off. We're done, man. Everything's covered. Got one extra tarp on there.